everybody, welcome to my vlog. My name is Kendra Annette and I haven't been here in forever, but we're doing something pretty cool today. I am going to be showing you guys how I do my hair with this awesome blow dryer and what I use. So I do recommend that you let your hair kind of air dry as much as it can. You can tell that my hair is wet and only the bottom is dry. So I already brushed it out. This is the brush that I use. It's a wet brush. I already brushed it out, and what I put on it is this I love this. I've been using it for a year now. It works amazing on my hair, but I'm gonna try something different today. I want to try this. It's a 10-in-1 primer. It strengthens, heat protects, and reduces frizz. So let's try it out. Ooh, it smells so good. I could tell that it is super oily. Oh, I hope it doesn't make my hair look super bad. So yeah, you can see that my hair is still wet. I'm also gonna prep my hair. I've been using this for years. It is the Renewing Argan Oil by the OGX products. It works amazing. And I just put it on my ends. Since I do struggle with a lot of hair loss. So the way that this works is you're gonna put your hair in, you're gonna split it into 4, actually 3, and then this will go up. Okay. I always keep these clips in handy. And okay. I want to make sure that none of my hair, because since you have to get so close to your scalp, I don't want any of my hair to be loose. So then I split that into 2, and this is what it looks like. So for this, you're gonna try to get as close as your scalp as possible, and turning the blow dryer while you're doing it. Okay, so here is my wet hair still. You can tell that it is wet. And then over here is what I just blow dried with the brush. So it's all, I am so in love with this. I recommend this 21,000 out of 10. It works amazing. It's so fast too. Like you can do this. I bet you I can do my whole hair within like 20 minutes. And I have a lot of hair and it is super duper long. So yeah, let me fast forward and get my whole hair done. Okay, I am done with the other side. So the only downfall I would have to say is that it gets really hot. Like the black part gets really hot. And if you like touch it, you're gonna burn yourself. So be careful. I love it. I love it so much. Like not only can I just blow dry my hair, but like I can literally just leave it like this and be completely happy with it. Okay, I am getting to the last part, and I think it's like the part where it is kind of the hardest to do this with, because I can never figure out how I want my part. So I just end up doing it in the, I just part it in the middle and then go from there. But my hair is pretty soaked. So the trick to this though is that you are, when you are drying it, you're gonna flick it out. Or if you want to do it, so you flick it out once and then you go through it one more time and flick it in, and then when you're done with that strand, you're gonna curve it, and then this is what it is going to look like. So in love with it. I don't even know how long that took. I'm pretty sure it took like 30 minutes. It takes a little longer on camera because I have to be clicking my camera, coming back, like, you know? So I'm pretty sure when I'm not recording, like this look takes me like 30 minutes. I'm so happy with it. And yeah. For the back, this is what I do though. It gives you so much volume. I freaking love it. I was talking to my boyfriend the other day and I was like, dude, you know what? I have an idea. When I get to 200, I want to do a giveaway of one of these. So it does have 3 settings. I've never used the first one or the second one. I have really thick hair and my hair it holds on to the water like really freaking good. Like when I get out of the shower, it usually will take like 24 hours for my hair to air dry. So I use the highest heat, but like I said, the only downfall to this is that it's super duper hot. Like it gets really hot. If you touch it, you will burn yourself. Well, the same with the curling iron and a straightener. I get, you know, like all of those things, they get hot. Don't touch them. And let me go grab the box right away so I can show you guys what this looks like. It's Full Blown Beauty Round Dryer. I got it at TJ Maxx, and so you guys don't think I'm lying, it costed $30. That's it, $30. And I know like right now the Revlon one is trending on TikTok, and I went to go look at it and it's $60. So this is like half of the price, and I mean, I think my hair kind of just speaks for itself. I don't have to put more sour cream on my tacos. You guys know the vibes. It works amazing. So yeah, I got this at TJ Maxx. Works amazing. Highly recommend it. I did get the bigger one. There's a smaller one, and I know the smaller one is cheaper, but I have a lot of hair, so I had to go with the bigger size one. It's as big as my hand. Wow, it's pretty big. Look at compared to my hand. And I have a big head, believe me. And then these are the 2 that I used. I use this every single day, regardless if I do my hair or not. I put this in my hair. And the first time that I used this, I could see steam coming out of my head. So I was like, you know what? I really need a heat protector because my hair is super duper long. And I finally cut it, got it back to healthy, you know, like to burn it again, like I think not. So I did my research, did Google search, got on Instagram, and I found this at Target. Actually, I bought both of these at Target. And then these clips work amazing for any time you want to do your hair. I got these at TJ Maxx and these at Walmart. So yeah. So this is the look. I'm so in love with that. I'm not even lying. Like, I'm not hyping it. I am so in love with it. Like, I love my hair. I've never been a person to do like the part in the middle because I've never liked it. But like this thing gives me so much volume. Like, not even lying. So I do want to say thank you so much for everybody that is part of my YouTube family. Thank you guys, welcome. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment down below, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.